case. The Antigua police, now moving on, the Antigua police has now filed a missing case after fugitive diamond merchant and PNB scam accused Mehul Choksi went untraceable. Mehul was last seen on Sunday evening leaving his residence in a car. Sources say Mehul Choksi might have fled from Antigua as the Indian government was mounting pressure on the Antiguan authorities to revoke his citizenship. He's now known to be in Cuba, where he owns a home. Sources say CBI has approached the Interpol and other government channels to trace, locate and find out Mehul Choksi. Choksi and his nephew Nirav Modi are wanted for allegedly siphoning off 13,500 crore rupees of public money from PNB using letters of undertaking. While Nirav Modi is in London prison after repeated denial of bail and is contesting extradition to India, Choksi had taken the citizenship of Antigua and Barbuda in 2017 using the Citizenship by Investment program before fleeing India in Jan 2018.
Mr. Hurst, many thanks for joining us here on India Today. There are reports coming in of Mehul Choksi having gone missing in Antigua. If you could throw some light on what really happened.
Well, I know no more than the police do, and the police set out to find him because he was reported missing.
He was reported missing by his family after he went out for dinner, is what we are given to understand. Any details on what really could have happened, given that he is a man who is wanted in India, and certain reports also suggesting that he could have very well left Antigua and Barbuda?
We don't know. That is mere speculation. No one knows what has happened to him. We do know that he was seen by others in his car. His car was found abandoned, but he was not in it. We have no idea where he might be. The police have searched a number of areas that are not so far from the hood.
And Mr. Hurst, also the fact that the family members seem to be reporting that they're quite worried and anxious. How did they approach How did they really approach the authorities in Antigua, and what is it that the family members reported to the police, to the authorities?
My understanding was it was a telephone call, and it was made by a member of his household, and the police responded almost immediately.
So Mehul Choksi has gone missing on 23rd of May at 5:15. He was seen leaving his home in Antigua, and then on 23rd of May at 5:15, and then the car was recovered, I beg your pardon, by the police, and a missing person report was also filed at 5:15 p.m. on 23rd of May. So probably, we don't know, because there's no evidence to suggest that, but there is a strong possibility that he's fled from Antigua into Cuba, where he owns a home, and since India doesn't have an extradition treaty with Cuba, there's a strong possibility that he's fled to Cuba. We're stepping to a break, but when we return, we're getting you stories that are trending across the internet.